Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can use the image prompt on Leonardo AI to create images and artworks. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Leonardo AI on your browser, log into your account, and you can see the image creation. Go ahead and tap on it. What you need to do is click on this image option over here. So you can see that you need to use a different preset to use image guidance creators. So you can see that you need to use a different preset. So let's go ahead and click on this option over here. And let's go back and you can see this photo option. What you need to do is click on this and you can see some of the image prompt. So let's go ahead and click on this. And you can see the reference style as well. You can go ahead and click on style reference and now click on upload an image to get started. Now what you need to do is select a photo for the reference of it. So let's go ahead and select this photo over here. This is my art generated from some website. So you can see this has been done. Now you can write the prompt like create me the same images, or you can go ahead and go back and create a prompt from here. So you can see this one is a dragon prompt I have written. So I'm gonna do something like merge between these and create me a sci-fi art. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a short prompt for now because I want this rather short and quick. So let's go ahead and click on generate, which is here. So let's see what Leonardo AI will create. It might take some time. If you want this to be quick, you can go to legacy mode and enable the quick version of it. It might cost some extra tokens, but it will be complete. So in a while, you will see the prompt I have given. So this is the image prompt which I added. So it's quite easy and helpful. Now you can go back and you can start creating your other art as well. But I would rather choose to stay for a while and wait. So you can see that an artwork has been created. Let's see what has been created. So you can see this is like a space shuttle. I don't know what that was created, but so you can see that this is sci-fi art which I actually ordered. So you can see the blue skies and some artifacts being merged here. So yeah, that was quite it, guys. This is how you can add your image prompt on Leonardo AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.